Peace Divines, welcome to Montauk Avenue, and I welcome you to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button if you would like to be notified of more videos. And I miss my Divines. And before I get into the rest of my weekend, I wanted to come on here and share 3 recipes. I'm gonna title these recipes are good for the start of your day, and I am going to leave the recipes as always in the description with any tips. And I really love having juice in the day before the start of my day, even before I do anything physical. And these are just 3 simple juices that are really great, and I will definitely do more videos where I will share a lot of more recipes, of course. The first juice, we are using some apple, we are using some grapefruit, and I still have some of the pith on it, so that's up to your preference. I'm using some carrots, and I'm using a little piece of ginger. You know I love the smell of ginger. Okay, we are going to put the grapefruit, we're going to put the apples in, we're going to put the carrots in, and we're going to put the lovely piece of ginger in. We're going to go ahead and juice this up. Alright, so it looks like we have a good 15 ounces here, and so we are going to try it. So we have our apple and ginger and carrots, and we have our grapefruit, and we're going to try this lovely juice. Oh, the grapefruit. I definitely don't think I had this combination, but when you check out my other videos, I probably did. Maybe I did, maybe I didn't. No, I don't think so, because it's carrot. Because the grapefruit dominates, but it's very sweet, of course, because you have a carrot, you have the grapefruit, you have the apple. But yeah, I love it. If you're new to juicing, you would definitely love this juice. Let's go on to our second juice. For this juice, we are simply using some mint, we're using some cucumber, we are using some lime. So we're going to put the lime in, I'm going to put the mint in, and I'm going to put the cucumber in. All right, and we are going to go ahead and juice this up. For the third juice, I'm using some celery, and I am using some lemon, and I am using some cucumber, and I am using some spinach. Juice, we had about a good 18 ounces here, so we're going to go ahead and try this lovely third juice. For this third lovely juice, remember we had celery, we had cucumber, and we had lemon, and we had spinach. So let's try it. This is definitely your typical refreshing green juice. But all 3 of these juices, I can say if you were new to juicing, you would appreciate these juices. As always, I want you to be well, be true to yourself, and be sure to check out my other juicing videos. Peace, Divines.